Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to our AN-NOOR Science Lab.
Today we are from AN-NOOR International Madrasa and we will show you an amazing experiment. This experiment name is working water.
Are you ready to see water working? Let's begin.
First, what do we need?
We need 6 cups, water, food coloring and paper towels.
Why are some cups empty?
Good question. The empty cup will receive the working water. We fill cups 1, 3 and 5 with water.
Now we add red, yellow and blue color.
What do you think will happen when colors meet?
Let's find out. Now we place folded paper between the cup like this.
The water starts moving through the paper towels.
Wow, the water is working.
This happens because of capillary action.
Reaction means water moves through small spaces by itself. Can you name another example of capillary action?
Plants use capillary action to move water from roots to leaves. Science is not magic, it has reasons.
Always ask questions when you do experiment.
Observe carefully and think why it happens.
How is the water moving without falling?
It moves because of capillary action.
Capillary action means water can move to small spaces by itself.
Plants also use this process to move water from roots to leaves.
Science is fun and full of surprises.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. If you enjoy learning, please subscribe to our channel for more educational videos.